Are you struggling to keep track of emails in Salesforce? Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to check your email logs in Salesforce so you can track communications, verify deliveries, or troubleshoot email issues effortlessly. First, start by navigating to the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to the advanced setup area. Click on it, and you'll enter a space packed with administrative tools, including the one we need to access email logs. Once you're in advanced setup, look for the quick find box. This little search bar is incredibly powerful. Just type in email log files, and it will take you directly to the email logging options. No more scrolling endlessly through menus. Now that you've located email log files, click on it. Here you can manage and request email logs, which is where all the tracking happens. To request a log, click on the Request an Email Log option. You'll need to set a few details like the date and time range for the emails you want to check. Being precise here is key to getting the exact data you need. You can also filter logs by specific email addresses or domains. This is especially handy if you're trying to find messages related to certain contacts or organizations. After everything is set, click Submit Request. Salesforce will process it and send the log file directly to your email as a zip archive. It's compressed, secure, and easy to handle, but that's not all. You can also review the logs directly in Salesforce. After processing, go back to the email log section and you'll see all the requested logs ready for review. This makes it simple to cross-check or analyze any email activity whenever you need. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily monitor your email communication in Salesforce, troubleshoot issues, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Email logs are an essential part of managing your Salesforce environment efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials that make Salesforce easier and more productive for you.